ever pondered over the multitude of tasks a real estate agent performs when aiding a home seller or home buyer? A comprehensive list from the Realtor Association enumerates a staggering 184 tasks that agents undertake during a property transaction. Today, we delve into this extensive list and explore how a for sale, by owner seller, or a do-it-yourself home buyer can perform these tasks independently. Starting from the pre-listing stage, an agent's responsibilities span across market research, comparative analysis, home staging, and setting a competitive listing price. As a home seller, tackle these tasks by conducting meticulous online research, understanding local market trends, and pricing your property competitively. Consider investing in professional home staging services to accentuate your home's best features and attract potential buyers. And next, the listing and marketing phase involves crafting an appealing property description, taking high-quality photos, and marketing the property on multiple platforms. For this, consider hiring a professional photographer and writer to create an enticing listing. Leverage social media platforms and online real estate websites to increase your property's visibility. The negotiation and contract stage is critical. Here, real estate agents usually handle offer evaluations, negotiations, and contract preparations. As a DIY home buyer or seller, familiarize yourself with real estate contracts and negotiation techniques. Seek legal advice if necessary, to ensure that all contracts comply with local and state laws. Post-contract activities include coordinating inspections, appraisals, and addressing any resultant issues. As a home seller, ensure to have a list of reliable professionals such as home inspectors and appraisers. Be prepared to negotiate repairs or adjustments based on the inspection and appraisal results. Finally, the closing stage involves final walkthroughs, settlement statement reviews, and the official transfer of property ownership. As an independent home buyer or seller, double-check all documents and ensure that all financial transactions are in order before signing on the dotted line. In summary, while the 184 tasks performed by a real estate agent seem daunting, they are manageable with careful planning, thorough research, and professional help in specific areas. As a for sale by owner seller or a DIY home buyer, understanding these tasks can empower you to navigate the real estate market confidently and successfully. Remember, thorough market research, professional home staging, strategic marketing, and an understanding of real estate contracts and negotiations are crucial. Having reliable professionals for inspections and appraisals and meticulous attention to detail during the closing stage can ensure a smooth and successful property transaction. With these key points in mind, you can tackle the vast array of responsibilities that a real estate agent usually undertakes and find success in your real estate journey.